Hey guys, what is up? Knifesurge here, and today we're going to be starting, I'm actually going to be starting a Minecraft modding series. It's going to be a series of tutorials. We're going to cover, this video, it's going to cover setting everything up, setting up the main mod class, and setting everything up so that Minecraft Forge actually loads a mod into Minecraft so that we can actually start adding items, adding blocks, adding different things to the game. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go to the Oracle's website. I'll leave this link in the description. But you're going to want to get the JDK, and all you have to do is click set license agreement, and then choose which format yours is. So for mine, it's going to be this one. I already have it downloaded, I already have it installed. I'm not going to go through it, but you pretty much just, actually I'm going to go through it. You click it and you save it, it's going to download. You go to your downloads, and you just double click it, and it will run and install the JDK. So once you get that, you're going to want to go into Control Panel, System and Security, System. We're going to click Advanced System Settings. You're going to get a User Account Control pop-up, OK, or yes. Environment variables, and you're going to want to set two environment variables: Java Home, which is where the JDK has been installed. So mine is C program files. It's just a shortcut for program files. /java/jdk. Then you're going to want to add the path to your java.exe, which is in this right here. It's actually /bin/java.exe, but you don't put that in. Once again, this is a shortcut. Program.1 is program files. So once you have those set up, just click OK, OK. Exit out of this, and then we're gonna hop over to Eclipse, and you're just gonna choose which one you have. I have 64-bit, so I click 64-bit, download, and then you just save the file. But I already have it, so cancel, and I believe it's actually my downloads right here. You double click it. And you run the installer. It takes a little bit to load up. And I'm sorry about my fan, because I'm not wearing my usual headphones, and it sucks. So, and then this is going to pop up. It's going to show up all the Eclipse IDEs for that other variable. You're just going to want this one, so you're going to click it. You can do all this and you just click install, and it will install for you. After that, you're going to want to go to, actually close these, you're going to go to Minecraft Forge, and you're going to want to click 1.8 right there, and you're going to want to go to Download Recommended and click the MDK. It's going to take you to this annoying ad website. Click skip. You're going to give that, it's going to be a zip file. You're going to save it, and it's going to go to your downloads. Oops, right here. And it'll be in here, so say, let's just say this was it. You simply Control X, or click right click cut, and you might want to make a folder. It's called mods, just to keep everything mod related in it. And you're just gonna Control paste. Of course, I don't want that in there because it's not it. And you get this. I have WinRAR, obviously, yeah. And these are the files that are in the Forge zip folder. So you just extract to, and it'll give you this file. Now in this file, you're going to have to set some stuff up. So what you're going to do is right click new text document and just name it setup workspace underscore eclipse. And what you're going to do in this is you're going to load up a notepad, simply do Gradle W, set up decomp workspace eclipse. So all you're going to do in there, file save as, change it to all files, and at the end, .bat. Already exists. And it'll give you this batch file. You can just delete this text file. Then you're going to want to double click this, and you're going to get a pop-up from Java. You're just going to click yes. And then this will appear, and it's going to set up your workspace for you in relation to Eclipse. So it's going to create, I believe, this folder, and this folder. And it might make some other ones, but you should have like these folders at the end. And I already have it, so it's going to get up-to-date skipped. Yours, if you haven't done this before, which I'm assuming you've never done modding before, but you have some Java experience, because I'm not going to explain how Java, like the Java language works, because it would take forever. But as you can see, I'm just getting all skipped because I have it. Here's what actually, I don't think it'll say skipped or up to date, because you don't have it. And I've had a lot of problems with the make start. If it fails, it's usually because your Java home isn't set properly. So you can, if you're having that problem, leave a comment below, and I'll try and work with you to fix it. And once that's done, you have all this, and you can run Eclipse. Close that. You can run Eclipse, and the first time you run it, it's going to ask for you to set up a workspace or something like this. And you're simply going to browse and go to where your Forge folder is. I'm just going to click Eclipse in that Forge folder. OK, and then OK. It's going to save the workspace. Going to load up. If you already have another workspace going, it's going to restart Eclipse with that workspace. And then once it loads up, you're going to have a single project in that Project Explorer. And this, once you open it up, has all these libraries in it. So many. And then like the other folder contents. The one we're only really going to be worried about with is this Forge source one, because it has all the assets for Minecraft, including models and textures. For example, brick. It's not going to let me load it, so I'm going to do my alternate loading, because I actually have the assets that's not extracted. Okay. Which ones let's see here? No, textures. Blocks. And let's do brick. And this is the texture for the brick. Pretty cool. Now, close that, and then just gonna close all these. And you're gonna have these two package folders. The one we're worried about right now is the Java one. So you're gonna right click that, new package. Simply gonna do com dot your username. So for me it's Knifesurge dot and the name of your mod. So tutorial mod. Click finish. And these are other mods I have. And in this package, you're going to right click new class, and you're going to name the class the name of your mod. So tutorial mod for me, whatever you want for you. And it's going to generate this class And in this class, we're going to add 3 methods. The first one, actually I'll get to this in a second. The first one is public static void pre-init FMO pre-initialization event. Pretty simple. And then you can import this quickly. Control-Shift-O, and it imports it right there. Now, what I was saying before is an annotation event handler, and that just lets Forge know that this is going to handle some events. Import that as well. The next 2 they're going to have event handlers as well. Public static void init FML initialization event. And we're going to import that. The last one is public static void post init. So once Minecraft is done initializing, and you're going to want to import that as well. And for now, we're done with this class for now. We're actually going to make another one. So right click the package of your mod, new class, reference, and in here, public static final string mod ID is equal to your mod ID. So for this, it's going to be type mod. This does have to be lowercase and unique. There can't be 2 mod IDs that are the same. It's how Forge differentiates the mods. So if there's 2 of the same, it can't differentiate, and it's going to cause problems. Next one, public static final string mod name, and then the name of your mod. So for this, it's going to be tutorial mod. Last one, public static final string version equals 1.0. And we're done with this for now. We're going to come back to this in another tutorial when we set up our proxies, but for now we're done. And then one last thing in this class that we have to do in this video is add a notation mod, import that, open bracket, and we're going to do mod ID, reference, type mod ID, name equals reference dot name, mod name, and version is equal to reference dot version. And we are now done with this class, and this is the base of your mod, and this is really important. This is going to be like the most important class you can have, because this is how Forge interacts with your mod. And what you can do is you can click this run button, and it will actually launch Minecraft with Forge. So this is how you test out your mods, see if everything's working properly. And if you've ever played a modded, like the modded just mods, actually, just Minecraft mods, then you've seen this before. Just initializes Minecraft, loads all the mods, all that stuff. It's pretty cool. And what I'm going to show you is, if done properly, you can go into mods, and you'll see your mod name appear in here. If it doesn't, and you're really confused, and you've loaded back, you've gone back a couple minutes in the video, and you have no idea what went wrong, just leave a comment in the description, not in the description, sorry, in the comment section, and I'll see if I can help you in some way. It'll probably be like paste your code. And thank you for watching. That's everything. And if you like what you see, just leave a like button. Click the like button and subscribe for more. I'm going to be doing more tutorials. I'm going to cover items and blocks and creative tabs and GUIs and recipes and shapeless recipes and small chain and all that, all in future episodes. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on next time.